Hello everyone, welcome to the Life's Good Day. I am Payal Chatterjee and today we have with us DJ Barkha Kaul. She's a renowned DJ who uplifts mood and spirits with her music, and her daily dose of optimism is to make people dance to her beats. You've always been in the entertainment industry, you've always been in the public eye. How do you remain positive? How do you remain optimistic, as we put it?
Well, I would say that yes, the industry that I am into has a lot of people gossip a lot in this industry. We meet a lot of toxic people. There's a lot of bitching happening. We all know how the glamour world is.
Exactly.
So exactly that is how it is. So, for me, when it is all about positivity, over the years, I have learned and I have realized that I want to keep my circle very small,
Oh,
yeah, so I want to keep my circle very small. I want to be surrounded. When it's work, then it's different thing. I'm going there to perform and I'm meeting all kind of people. That's completely okay. I don't take it too hard. Yeah. So when it's my friends and everyone, people, I feel that I should be surrounded with people who motivate me. Not with the ones who discourage me, demean me, and
right.
Yeah, so
Keep only the good people around.
I feel smaller the circle, it's
Better it is more positive.
Yeah.
It is. So how do you practice optimism in your daily life, day-to-day life, personal, professional?
I'm blessed to be in a profession which is all about music.
Is it?
So so music gives me immense positivity. And because I enjoy my work, so I feel
It's very important to enjoy.
It uplifts your mood completely. I practice few things. I would say that
Give us some tips to remain positive.
Yeah, I feel that I see a day-to-day basis. I am allotted to meditation.
Okay.
I do that, and I feel that positive self-talk is very important. Which can, it is like a self boost
And like
for all of us. So that really uplifts the mood of everyone. And
do you talk to yourself every day?
I talk to myself every day, and whenever there's something not going the way I want it to be, so I tell myself that it's okay, and it's okay. I'll
Sab theek ho jayega.
yeah, sab theek ho jayega. And at the same time, I think practicing gratitude is very important at the same time, because no matter how bad your life is, there are always few reasons that you have to be grateful for. So
Absolutely. There's always a ray of hope.
yeah,
At the end of the day.
hope.
Yes. And what about social media? If you see social media, you just open social media and you only see negativity. How do we optimize our feed? How do we, optimism your feed? How do we do that?
Well, I think whatever content that we are putting on our own should be with a lot of positivity. Whether you are writing a content or you are putting a video, when personally, if you ask me, when I go on social media and when I'm scrolling, if I see something negative or anything related with doubt, fear, guilt, comparison, all those things are in the negative zone, right? So I don't like to do that, and I don't encourage myself also to be on social media for longer time.
Okay.
Being in this profession, obviously social media is very important for me. But then again, I have to be on the laptop and on the desktop also, because when I'm doing my music, I have to be on the system. So every day for few hours, I take like a break.
Screen time.
Yeah. It's too much screen time is not good. As I've heard a lot of parents been talking to their kids that screen time is not good. Recently, I heard that it's called a sensory break.
Sensory break.
Yeah, break. Yeah. So basically, you have to give a break to your senses.
Yeah, true.
Hear everything, So I think that break is very important, and I like to take a break. Another thing, when I see on social media and if something very important I have to do, and if I see something very negative, I just don't dig into it and I ignore it that second.
Right, that second. any advice for all the young hearts out there who wants to become a DJ, who wants to do it your way? Any dose of optimism for them?
Yes, my advice to all the young DJs would be that a wonderful job, and just be very sure for what you're getting into. One has to really work hard, very, very work hard, because the working hours are going to be different. But then get into this career only when you are very passionate about music.
Okay.
Because that is what is going to take you for really long. And don't run away from hard work. And do not opt for any shortcuts in life, because shortcuts will, make you stay there for probably few years and then it'll fizzle out. So
that's actually, I think, the advice for life.
Yeah,
Not only if you want to be a DJ, but for every profession that you want to pursue.
Yes.
Okay, DJ. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Nice being here. Thank you.
Thank you.